So today, we are going to start with a complete tutorial on Microsoft Word, where we'll cover all the essential topics you need to know. By the end of this video, you won't need to look anywhere else to learn about Word. Everything will be covered right here. So, let's get started. As we can see from the current Word document that was sent to us by our colleague, it's quite messy. The headings like to, from, date, subject, and executive summary don't stand out at all. There's no boldness or emphasis, making them look similar to the rest of the text. When we scroll down, we can also see a Mies table that looks unstructured. There are no borders, and the text isn't properly aligned. The headers and data blend together, making it difficult to read. Similarly, in the analysis section, we can see SWOT analysis, balanced scorecard, and a strategic road mapping table, all of which lack proper formatting. In the alternatives section, we've got points for Nestmood and Nestecor, followed by action plan, recommendations, and appendix, none of which are formatted with headings or subheadings. So our goal today is to fix this entire document to make it look clean, structured, and professional. Let's start with formatting. The first thing we'll do is make all headings bold so they stand out immediately. We can do this by selecting the text and either clicking bold from the quick access toolbar, selecting bold from the Home tab, or using the shortcut Ctrl+B. Once that's done, we'll increase the font size of all side headings from 12 to 16 so that they're clearly distinguishable from the body text. Next, in the action plan section, we have two main headings, Nestmood and Nestecor, with subheadings like timeline, key steps, and KPIs. We'll make these bold as well. Then, in the analysis section, we have four types of analysis: SWOT analysis, balanced scorecard, strategic road mapping, and Ansoff growth matrix. All of these appear like regular text, so we'll change their style from normal to subtitle to make them stand out. Now let's work on the tables. To differentiate the header row from the rest of the table, we'll make the header bold. Then we'll select the entire table, go to the Table Design tab, and apply a preferred table style. Since the text and borders are both black, the table looks cluttered. To fix that, we'll change the border color to a shade of gray for better clarity. We'll apply the same styling to the Strategic Road Mapping table. In the Strategic Alternatives part, we have two products, Nestmood and Nestecor, and alternatives for each. Currently, the lists are marked as A, B, C, D, and so on. To make it look better, we'll go to the bullet library and change the list style to simple circular bullets instead. Next, for the SWOT analysis, instead of listing the points as bullets, we'll present them in a 2x2 table format, separating strengths, weaknesses, opportunities, and threats into their own boxes. We'll remove the existing bullets, insert a new table from the Insert tab, and copy each heading and its points into the corresponding box. After pasting all the data, we'll center-align the table and make the section titles bold for proper presentation. We'll repeat this for Nestecor. Now let's fix some text errors. Every time the names Nestmood and Nestecor appear, there's a red underline indicating a spelling error. To remove this, we'll right-click the word and select Ignore All. If the underline persists in other parts of the document, we'll repeat this process. We'll also correct small spelling issues such as adding a missing space between road and mapping and capitalizing M. We are also going to add page numbers to our document by going to the Insert tab and clicking on Page Numbers and choosing Preferred Page Number Style. Moving on, let's explore some important Word features. We can highlight text using the Highlight tool from the Quick Access toolbar in any color we prefer. To copy formatting from one text to another, we can use the Format Painter or press Ctrl+Alt+C to copy the format and Ctrl+Alt+V to paste it on another section. This document is currently based on the New York branch of Nestmood and Nest Decor. If we want to change it to London, we can use the Replace option under the Home tab, type New York in the Find box and London in the Replace box, and Word will replace all instances automatically. We can also insert pictures from the web, our PC, and even add links to dashboards, PowerPoint files, or Excel sheets. Additionally, we can adjust the layout of our document, whether we want it normal, narrow, or any other format. In the Review tab, we also have spelling and grammar checks to fix any mistakes. Lastly, in the View tab, we can switch to Reading View, where we can view the document without making any edits. So now to finally download our document in PDF form, we'll go over to the File tab and click on Export and select Download. Now our document looks much better as compared to before. The headings are properly formatted, tables look centered and aligned. There are no spelling or grammar errors. And that's all for this complete Microsoft Word tutorial. We've covered everything from formatting and styling to tables, lists, and keyword features. By following this, you'll be able to create professional, clean, and well-structured documents with ease. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe for more tutorials, and check out the next video where we'll move on to Excel.